In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate HubSpot with Slack, a combination that can really streamline your business operations and help your team stay on top of things effortlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to install the Slack app from the HubSpot app marketplace and configure workflows to send notifications directly to Slack. This means you can manage records and receive HubSpot notifications in real time without having to switch between platforms. Let's start by installing the Slack app. In your HubSpot account, you'll find an icon that leads you to the marketplace. Go ahead and select App Marketplace from there. Once you're in, simply search for Slack in the search bar. You'll see it pop up in the results, so select it. Next, click Install App and follow the prompts. This will authorize the integration with your Slack workspace, which is an essential step for the two platforms to work together smoothly. After the installation process, you'll be redirected back to HubSpot, and you should expect to receive an email from Slack confirming the installation. Keep an eye on your inbox just in case, as it's great to know that everything went as planned. Now, let's move on to setting up workflows, which is where the real magic happens. Navigate to the automation section in HubSpot and then click on Workflows. If you've already got an existing workflow you'd like to edit, feel free to select it. Otherwise, create a brand new workflow. Think about what kind of trigger you want to use, such as when a contact submits a form or when a meeting is logged. Triggers are what will activate your workflow, so choose one that suits your needs. The next step is to add an action that sends a message to Slack when your chosen trigger is activated. You'll be able to select whichever Slack channel or user you'd like to receive this notification. To make the messages even more informative, personalize them using tokens that include relevant information. Once you're satisfied with your setup, make sure to save and activate the workflow so it's up and running. Finally, managing your notifications is key to ensuring the right messages get to the right people. You can adjust what notifications you'll receive by tweaking your notification settings within HubSpot. If you want notifications to go to a private Slack channel, remember to add the HubSpot app to that channel. It's also good practice to map your HubSpot user email to your Slack user. This ensures notifications end up exactly where you want them. To do this, head into the integration settings in HubSpot and follow the instructions to verify your email address within Slack. By following these comprehensive steps, you'll have effectively integrated HubSpot and Slack, creating a more streamlined workflow and improving communication for your team.